Welcome to our video on how to save a search as a registered client. This will show registered clients on your website how to save and manage their own personal saved listings or search criteria. With that, let's get started. As people use your site as a powerful search tool for real estate listings, they may have certain criteria or areas that they prefer. As they find those preferences in their search or locations or even specific listings, they will be able to save those results if they press Save Search. When doing so, they'll be asked to create an account. When they do this, it will save the listings that they can return to easily later. But more importantly is that when visitors sign up and register for searches through your website rather than just an open internet search, that will save it to their profile. So that way the site owner can view and even assist with their search criteria, suggesting new search results or even better results that they may have in mind. Once their account is made, in the top right, they'll see the initials for the first and last name. If they expand this out, they have the option to view their previously saved searches, which is the overall searches and the criteria. Once they click that, that'll show them that result that they can easily return to, and it'll also mark it under their account. Now, if they favorite a favorite listing, that will show under saved listings. So one is overall search, one is specific listings. And again, this will all be noted on the account that's created for them within Turbo Leads. So it's easy for them to access the listings and save searches, as well as for you to assist them in those results. We see that reflected here on their Turbo Leads. We'll see their saved searches, the overall searches here. If desired, you can create a new search for them if you think, hey, this might be criteria that might interest them or listings that might be interesting to them. That can be produced and they'll be notified of it, as well as you'll get to see their favorited listings, their saved listings down below this. So there are clear benefits to the one searching as well as the site owner to register and start saving those favorited listings. So that way you can work together to find you the best listing possible. And that concludes our video on how to save a search as a registered client. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will give you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. But most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. Be more than happy to help you. Give our lead service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.